In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the spacing between words in Microsoft Word. When you mix different fonts or font sizes in a document, the spaces between words can start to look uneven. That unevenness can make a polished document feel a bit messy. The good news is you can smooth out word spacing across your text without changing the spacing between individual letters. Here's a clear way to do it using tools already built into Word. Start by selecting the text you want to fix. If you plan to apply this to your entire document, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select everything at once. Having the right selection ensures the changes apply exactly where you need them. Next, go to the Home tab. Look to the far right for the editing group and click Replace. This opens the Find and Replace window, which we'll use to refresh every space in your selection with a clean, consistent one. In the Find What field, click once inside and press the space bar a single time. Then click inside the Replace with field and press the space bar once there as well. It might feel odd to replace a space with a space, but this sets up Word to identify every space in your selection and reinsert a space that carries the formatting we choose next. Click More to expand the options, then select Format at the bottom and choose Font. In the Font dialog, go to the Size section and pick the font size you've used most consistently throughout your document. This doesn't change your text size. It ensures the spaces themselves are standardized to that size. Click OK to confirm. With everything set, click Replace All. Word will quickly process your selection. A confirmation message will display how many replacements were made. If you're prompted to apply changes more broadly, choose Yes to apply to the entire document or No to limit it to the text you highlighted. If you're unsure, limiting it to your current selection is a safe way to preview results before expanding. You should now see more even spacing between words across your text. Scroll through a few paragraphs to confirm the visual improvement. When you're satisfied, close the Find and Replace window. That's all it takes to clean up word spacing and give your document a more professional, consistent look without touching letter spacing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials on Microsoft Office. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.